Alright, so I'm back with another video. Gold Bonnet Chronicles, I guess. I don't know. But I wanted to do like a little quick unboxing because I told y'all my lighting and stuff was about to get better. My voice is about to get better. Okay, so just bear with me. So today I have some Neewer LED lights, and I'll put something over here. I think I paid like $107 for them. So you get two lightings, two LED lights. I think it's like 220 LED lights inside of it. So I wanted to kind of show y'all what everything about to look like. Now, I'm in the midst of moving. Your girl moving to Florida. So if anybody, sorry y'all, if anybody down there in the Kissimmee area, welcome your girl. Okay, I'll be up out of here and I'll be gone on the 28th. Okay, so I'm trying to do these videos and make sure we got spacing and stuff, and I'll show y'all the house. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. I'll show you guys the house, and let's get into this unboxing. Okay, so I got it through Amazon, and so of course it comes in like a bigger box than what the box actually is. But this is, this is the size of the box. I told y'all I'm moving, so disregard what y'all see down here. And I got the camera actually facing down to me. Better yet, I'm gonna use her little chair. So, cause your girl got knee issues. All right. Remember these type of videos? These pictures back of them, the jail poses. All right, so like I said, they come in, I don't know, maybe about 3 foot or so. I don't know, maybe about 3 feet or so. So the thing I like about them is that it came with a carrying case. Where's my phone? It came with a carrying case, and you actually get 2 lights, right? So let me open this up and let you see, and then we'll get down to like the super technical points. So when you open the box, it has your 2 chargers or power supplies for the lights. It has 3 pouches on the side. Got this pouch, and then like this pouch, which I already was in. So let's pull a light out. So this is about the size of a light. My hand is not that big, but you know what I mean? The light is a decent size. These lights come with a controller too, a remote control, so you don't have to like be in the back and dial it up or dial it down. So here is what the light looks like. You can see the LEDs inside of there. I don't know if it comes with a diffuser or not, but we've got to learn everything together. So here is what the back looks like. So since I didn't want to like show y'all it dead or anything, I charged the battery up, and it actually comes with a battery charger, so you don't have to plug them up to the power supply. They actually come with 2 batteries in here. So this is what the charger looks like. The charger looks like this. It kind of looks like a camera charger, and then the battery looks like this. So you just literally pop it in there. Okay, so on the back, I haven't even read the instructions or nothing. So on the back of it, where you can see right there, you just pop the button, pop the battery in. So that's what I'm about to do. And I'm gonna hit, it says activate. I'm gonna shut these blinds. Give me a minute. So right now I just got my ring light. I just got my ring light on, right? My blinds are shut, but it's still pushing out a good amount of light, and I got my ring light all the way up. So this is that with the ring light. Let me see, and it does have temperature controls under here, which I think is really, really cool. The buttons feel really, really nice. It don't feel cheap or anything like that. So let me activate. so this is, oh, these is bright, y'all. Yo, okay. That was low. Let me turn my camera light off. So that's with no light, okay? Let me cut the light on. Let me see. Let me cut it off. So this is it at 100. That's that at 100. Woo! And that's pretty warm. So let me see if it what it look like if it's cool. If it's cool, of course. Warmer. Yeah. So again, sorry if y'all hear that in the background. And on the back, it shows you too. I'm gonna turn this down. It show you on the back. I don't know if y'all can see that. It show you on the back. And then it shows you the brightness and everything and the coolness. That's actually the coolness or warmness. This is the bright. It shows you the battery and it shows you, you know, of course the battery. So it has activate and channel. And I'm assuming channel is for the remote. So let me get to that. So this is the base of it basically. Sorry if y'all hear that, that's my phone. So, like I was stating, it comes with 2 batteries. So in that middle bag that you have, it has 2 batteries inside of there. And then it has the USB charger. It does come with the plug, but you just gotta have a brick. And then the remote. So I don't know if I'm gonna start actually using this lighting kit here or if I'm gonna start using it when we move down there. But here is that. Here is the remote. Let me cut this. Yeah. So there we go. So that's the remote. Look at that, I'll vibrate. Nope, so no batteries in the remote. They might have some in here. So I'm gonna put that back in the box. Everything is really, really nicely packaged. I'll give it some with that though. Let me see, what else do we have here? We have the poles that the lights go into, and we have like the hot shoes with like the swivel head. You get 2 of those, of course. It's got 2 lights, so you get 2 of those. You can see, and of course, like I said, you get 2 stands. So these stands are supposed to be somewhat on the taller side. So let's look at those really, really quick. And I'm gonna put this light back, turn it off. You see how easy it was to take off the battery? Fairly easy. It snaps on, snaps off. Throw it back in there. If you're a traveling, you know, photographer or, I don't know, do videos on the go. So you get your little paperwork and it kind of shows you, let me see, it tells you how to do it. Different languages, of course. Tells you thank you for your purchase. So let's pull this out. I'm gonna see how tall it is. So, and if it's quality or not, for real. So, it stands up by itself already. So, here's that. Let's see. Does it just come out? Okay, so you just kind of, is it upside down? I think it's upside down. So let me loosen it up some. You just kind of take the legs and pull them out. And it does that. Push it up. Or is that as far as it goes? I think that's as far as it goes. So don't try to pull it any further than this. I don't know about the legs, if I trust the legs for real, but I don't know if y'all can see that. Oh, okay, it does. Okay, it do go out some more. Okay, I thought I was tripping. Okay. All right, so y'all see I had to push it on the thing to actually get it to come out. So that's cool. So of course, you get your little screw on the side to where you actually have to screw them back on. And again, like I said, please do not judge me on what my background looked like today, because I am in the midst of moving. So it's gonna be like 2 videos previous to this that look all nice, and then it's gonna be this one before that one. So I'm sorry. So let me move the camera up to see how far it actually, how tall it actually is. Okay, so I'm 5'3", and we're gonna see if this thing's taller than me. Damn, we got springs in it. Oh yeah, it's taller than me. I like it already. Let me see. And it springs up. It springs up. Oh yeah, this thing is almost to the ceiling, yo. Look, let me see if I can show y'all. It's all the way up to the ceiling. So, I'm just playing, no. So yeah, so that's kind of a quick review of it. Y'all seen how bright it was. Y'all seen the color change. Y'all see that it comes with a remote. Like I said, I'll be sure to pop it over here somewhere, and I'll link it down below. I think it's gonna look great, like especially with my LED ring light with the 2 ring lights on the side. Like, so I won't have no excuse anymore. It's a real investment on top of my Blue Yeti that I've gotten. So I definitely want to show you guys that I am serious. So until next time, you guys, peace, love, and happiness, because the babies is getting relentless out there. I'm gonna sign off. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys actually get these, because pretty good quality. But as always, peace, love, and happiness, guys, and you guys be safe out there. I'll see you the next time.